Greetings from Oslo Gardermoen. I just arrived here from Stockholm on board a 787. Not this one, but this one. The Ethiopian 77 video is already out. Check it out, the link is in the description of this video. And now I need to get back home, so I'm flying with Norwegian for the first time today. I'm connecting from my flight of Ethiopian from Stockholm, and I'm connecting to Vienna back home on Norwegian for the first time. It's very rainy here, very cloudy, foggy. There's a KLM City Hopper, Embraer E2. Hopefully I can do some spotting here. I got plenty of time. It's 9:14 currently, local time. My flight is at 12:50. That's plenty of time. So yeah, I just need to get down there, I guess, and I'm just gonna chill in one of those, probably, or one of those on these or this and that seats. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna chill, but I need to go to the toilet first, because I haven't done my toilet business in the morning yet, if you know what I mean. So as I said, I fulfilled my toilet needs, and right after I chilled inside the terminal, walked there for a bit, spotted a few planes, and bought this baguette because I was starving. Hi, so I got this baguette with salami and cheese. It cost 10 euros. 117 Norwegian crowns. Our gate has been assigned, it's D3. Right over here, D3. There's no plane currently at the gate, so I guess when it arrives from, I think it should be arriving from Berlin, and then it's flying to Vienna. So it's gonna park here. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this baguette. And yeah, welcome to the food mood, I guess. Freshly put out of the oven. It's still very hot. Let's see how it tastes. I really needed some hot food finally. That's good. Really good. And here we have it, our 10-year-old Boeing 737-800NG arriving from Berlin and flying to Vienna next, with me on board of course. Norwegian is known amongst plane spotters for having various famous people painted on the aircraft's tail. That's why it's interesting to spot it every time, but unlike the others, this registration doesn't feature any livery with a famous person on it, so the tail remains white. Although what's interesting about this plane is its registration. I won't comment further on that.
Her på parkeringsplass før vi starter opp og setter kursen vår.
So the pilot was announcing that we would have a slight delay due to dense air traffic, so while I wait, here are the contents of the seat pocket in front of me. You can find there a whole bunch of magazines, menu cards, safety card, all that stuff. There's even a Wi-Fi on board, which I'll check out later once we are in the air. The bottom seat pocket is empty, creating space for storing your personal belongings. The legroom here was great, and the seat itself was clean, comfy, and also the cabin overall was very clean and tidy. The tray table was okay and it functioned properly. Now, listen to the captain speaking.
Good afternoon and welcome aboard. It's from the cockpit, your captain speaking. We are now getting close to ready to set the course towards Vienna. There is, however, quite a lot of traffic in the European airspace today, so air traffic controllers would like to avoid too many airplanes at the same time in the same airspace. So we have been given a restriction on our departure time. They would like us to wait least until our scheduled departure time, which is in about 10 minutes time, and maybe a few more minutes thereafter as well. We'll just have to see. Anyways, once we get going, we do expect flight time down towards Vienna, approximately 1 hour and 55 minutes. As we get further south, there are a few areas with some turbulence forecasted, but otherwise fine. And Vienna is at the moment reporting more or less clear skies with a temperature of 13 degrees centigrade. Cabin crew will later on demonstrate some safety features on board. We ask you to pay attention. Otherwise, I hope you all get comfortably seated, and I wish you all a pleasant flight. And once again, we will, as mentioned, wait here at least for another 10 minutes until we start up and set the course toward.
A few minutes later.
Time flew fast and we found ourselves pushing back. And taxiing towards runway 19 left for takeoff. The seat is actually pretty comfortable despite Norwegian calls itself a, like, I don't know if you can consider it low cost. It's like half low cost, half, I don't know, something else. But despite that, the seats are very comfortable and the legroom is great, for me at least. The window is getting a bit icy. So here are the in-flight magazines. Feel free to stop the video and read if you want. And since they offer a Wi-Fi connection here on board, I decided to check it out. Here is how the Wi-Fi works. Turn on your airplane mode, turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to a network labeled as Norwegian Internet Access. Once you're connected to the network, open your browser and type in norwegianwifi.com. From there, you should click on copy URL, it will then automatically redirect you to this page, and from there you're only 2 buttons away from acquiring free Wi-Fi on board Norwegian. Pretty incredible, right? Now I tested it out on Flight Radar to see if I could track myself live, and it didn't work. But a few seconds later I found out that you have to return to their website again, and there you need to select your Wi-Fi plan for the flight. For free they offer a 15-minute Wi-Fi with limited internet speed.
Extreme limited, 60 minutes for 6 euros. Unlimited with 10 euros. For 10 euros. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it to see if it actually works and how's the speed really. Ah, look at that. Look at that.
For a low-cost airline, this is really impressive that they offer a free Wi-Fi of any kind. Doesn't matter if it's free for just 15 minutes. And frankly, the other plans weren't even that expensive if you have to urgently do some work on board, which is fantastic. As for the free Wi-Fi, it was slow, but I managed to message a few people, send a bunch of photos and videos from inside the plane, and track myself live, which is very cool. So that is it for the Wi-Fi, and as for the food on board, I pre-ordered myself a food, which I'm going to review right now in this Food Mood episode.
So I got a pre-ordered meal. The thing is I already forgot what I pre-ordered, but yeah, it will be a surprise.
Right after opening the package, there was a short message about how tasty this food is and how extremely ecologically it had been packed.
Oh, I remember now, it was a chicken rice with vegetables and some sort of a dessert, which I didn't know that I would put here. But that's nice. Also, this packaging is very nice. We got some wooden cutlery as well. Yeah, cool.
The overall taste of the main meal was 9 out of 10. Excellent stuff. Pieces of the cake got stuck on the packaging from inside, probably due to bad handling and or transportation of this meal. But it also tasted great. The whole meal cost me 13 euros. It was good for the price, I'd say, but would be even better if it cost maybe like 8 or 9 euros max, considering the quantity and taste.
Greetings from inside this Norwegian 737-800 lavatory. We are in the right back lavatory. Now it's just a regular 737 lavatory. It's got different colors than Ryanair. I'm so used to flying Ryanair at this point. It's pretty much the same as Ryanair, but slightly different. There are some, small things. The coat hanger is different here. Yeah, but this is pretty much, there's nothing else to comment here. It's pretty clean though. I almost always forget to test the water, so shall we? 3 seconds, it could be better. But overall, great.
Now, what I definitely have to say is that the crew on board this Norwegian flight was incredibly friendly. After leaving the lavatory, I basically chatted with them for the rest of the flight. They were so nice, they offered me free coffee and gave me a Ferrero Rocher, which is a really sweet gesture and very kind, and as an app geek I really appreciate this. What's really fascinating is the fact that only one of the flight attendants was actually from Scandinavia. One was from Spain, another one was from Portugal, which is really crazy considering that this is Norwegian. So we basically ended up talking about aviation and stuff for the rest of the flight. It was fun. And they even invited me to work with them in Norwegian. How cool is that? But unfortunately for me, time flew really fast, and this very enjoyable flight was slowly but surely coming to an end, as we would soon start approaching our destination, Vienna.
Otherwise, I hope you'll enjoy the flight. Thank you for flying Norwegian. I wish you all a pleasant afternoon and hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this incredible flight, Norwegian, and especially thanks to the entire crew on this flight for being so nice and taking great care of the passengers. This positive experience assured me that I'll definitely fly Norwegian sometime in the near future again, because how fantastic my experience was with them on this flight. And thank you guys, of course, so much for watching. Drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this trip report, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified about upcoming trips and videos. Also, if you want to join me on my travels live as I go, follow me on my Instagram at FJAviation. Thank you so much. FJ out.
Nei,